Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. So, welcome guys to our very first podcast of Ano Ba Tayo? And for today's podcast, so ano nga ba tayo, di ba? So like, we're going to talk about ghosting and situationships in this modern times. Gen Z in general, since Gen Z naman kami. So, focus tayo sa dating apps ngayon. Kasi madami naman talagang nagda-dating apps these days. So, do you think how common is ghosting in dating apps? For me, I feel like very common siya. Kasi ang dali lang mong ghost. Especially since digital nga, di ba? So, parang kung hindi man na-trip, like, mag-reply, ma-replyan. Kung weird, hindi
Oo.
mo na-replyan. Pagka, ano lang, like, hindi mo na talaga trip, I won't hesitate.
You won't entertain it anymore.
I won't entertain it anymore. Kasi what's the point? You're just wasting your time. Ikaw ba?
Ako, same thing. Like, if hindi ko na-vibe-an yung tao, automatic na yun na hindi ko na siya kakausapin. And it happens most of the time since dating apps is
Ganda niya sis.
easy. It's easy to ghost someone. Not to say na tama yung ginagawa, pero it's easy to ghost someone kasi you don't really know them. So,
Wala namang
there's no
established.
connection established. So,
Connection kayo.
it's okay to leave it as is.
Okay, so have you ever ghosted someone?
Oo, te. Dami.
Ilan? Ilan naman? Grabe, mga cancellation.
Joke lang. In a serious, like, parang may na-establish na, mga dalawa. In a way, kasi parang,
Kaya sila nang nag-ghost sa'yo eh.
nag-ghost naman na talaga ako. But like, if ako tatanungin na, if ginost ko sila, mga dalawang,
At bakit?
one is my parents. One is my parents doesn't approve. So,
Bakit? Bakit hindi sila nag-approve?
different religion.
Okay. Tapos?
Tapos the second one is, parang naturally lang talaga na nag-die down yung conversation and wala naman din akong magagawa. We were both busy and wala, parang hindi ko na namalayan na, ay, hindi pala ako nakapag-reply sa kanya today.
Matagal na to? No?
Mga last year.
Okay, okay.
Ikaw?
Um,
Ilan?
hindi ko maalala like yung exact. Pero as a person naman na kumakausap ng mga tao, like let's say mga 5 meaningful connections, like let's say 40% na, ay okay, kinakausap ko na siya for a week. Tapos parang may it na lang na mananotice ko. Tapos parang, is this even worth it? Oo.
Next topic is, may mga napapansin ka bang red flags sa mga nakausap mo that will lead to ghosting? Na parang sila yung mag-ghost sa'yo. Ganon.
So parang, kunwari nag-usap na kami, tapos like,
May mapapansin ka na.
ay, ghost ako nito, ganon.
Ganon.
Mga pagka mabagal na mag-reply.
Totoo.
Kasi if someone's interested in you, they will try. Diba? Like, they will want to talk to you. They would want your attention. Ay, yun nga. They would want your attention. They would do anything. If they wanted to, they would.
Tama.
Ikaw?
Sa akin, ayun nga din, mga slow replies. Tapos, yung pinakamalala, parang once a day lang sila nag-reply.
Wala na yun, sis.
Wala na yun, sis.
May makabit ka na pala.
Kidding! Okay, next topic.
Is it ever okay to ghost? Like, parang sa tingin mo, ethical ba siya?
For me, it's, oo. Like, there are instances, there are situations na valid mag-ghost. Example, kabit ka, ganon. Or, minsan, parang, hindi mo talaga nakikita, like, long term. let's say parang one day talking lang kayo.
Oo. Gets
Okay
ko
na
yun.
yun, oo.
Like, no hard feelings. Pero feel ko kunwari, mga 1 month na kayo nag-uusap ta's bigla lang siya nawala. Medyo masasaktan na ako dun. Kasi
You would need
what
like
went wrong?
you would need an explanation for that.
Oo. Yun yung gets ko kung bakit yung mga ibang people nagka-crash out. Like, in terms na, like, na-ghost sila, gano'n. Pero, ayun, I think 1 month of talking without an explanation or anything. Tapos parang nag-dates na kayo, nagkita na kayo mga 2 or 3 times, palagi naman kayo nag-uusap, tapos biglang poof, wala na. Nagsawa ba siya sa'yo?
May bago na, gano'n.
Okay.
Yan.
Masyakit.
So, since madami kang nakakausap, how important to you is clear communication?
Madami ako nakakausap before.
Okay, before.
Grabe,
Before.
pa-issue to eh.
Ay, sorry. Before.
Okay, as a person naman kasi na medyo like nahirapan in communication, like I think I had to go through parang 4 different types of like pagsubok. 4 different types of pagsubok to like get me to where I am na I could express my emotions, I could clearly communicate. Parang when I look back, like sa past self ko, parang naaawa ko dun naawa ko sa sarili ko.
Nangyari. Sa mga
Kasi
nangyari.
parang kung that time na kunwari nag-aaway na nga, ganyan, tas okay, okay lang, sige hindi ko sasabihin oo, ganun lang.
Ikaw pa
Ikaw pa
magso-sorry.
magso-sorry. Parang kawawa kasi. And yun, mahirap naman talaga to overcome that situation na hindi ka straightforward na tao, tas like you'll keep it to yourself na lang. Pero now, like super important ang communication. If you wanna make it work talaga, you would
You
learn
would learn to
communicate. Ayun, ikaw.
Of course, sobrang importante niya. Pero for me, as a non-confrontational girl, same din na parang kahit you do me dirty, okay lang. Sorry, ako pa magso-sorry sa'yo. I think it's not that I want to avoid the fight, pero ako na like I'm putting my pride
Oo.
gano'n. Pero at the same time,
Bawal yun. Wag dapat
at the same time, at what cost? Na-trauma si Max. Ayan. So, ang nangyari, it's a lesson. It's a really huge lesson for me. And it takes so much to me to have that clear communication to someone. It's a stepping stone for a healthier relationship.
What is your best piece of advice for someone in a situationship?
No. Yun
Ano yung
na.
no?
No. Girl. Communication nga, di ba?
Okay.
You guys should establish at least something na, we're dating. Okay na yun. We're taking time. Okay, sure. Pero kung lalagpas yan ng 1 taon, 6 months, 7 months, wala pa kayong established parang label na we're dating, no. Mahirap siya.
Gets. For me, if you know that you're going into a situationship naman and that other person knows also, sige, go, mag-situationship ka lang. Kasalanan mo naman din yun, di ba? Like, you know what you're getting yourself into. So, if shit goes wrong,
It's on you.
pero, yun nga, there's stuff na like, what if you catch feelings na? Talaga na, parang like, oh my God, mahal ko na to. Yun na, dun na napapasok yung talk. Kasi lugi ka. Ano ba tayo? Really? Ano ba tayo? Dun talaga maano kung okay ba tong tao na to na will he or she be mature to
Have that
have that conversation, stuff. Like, makikita mo kung anong klaseng tao talaga siya. Or he or she is just like all fun and games. I know it's so hard to like leave someone if you love them or like really, really like them already. So like you go to this hole na parang, yeah, maybe like he or she will change. So I'll stay. Ganon. No, as someone na ilang situationship na, save your tears, girl.
It's not always the best.
It's not always the best. I mean, hopefully sa mga tao dyan na are in a situationship, I hope that person treats you well, man lang, hindi yung minamindfuck ka, or na ginagaslight ka, hindi mo naman alam. Pero, ayun, it's not bad. It's not bad to be in
You
a
should
situationship.
also know if you're at the advantage or disadvantage already. Kasi malay mo, ikaw na ngayon natatalo, gumugo ka pa rin. Hindi dapat. Speaking of situationship, have you ever? What's your most memorable experience of a situationship?
Memorable? Bad or good?
Depende sa'yo. Ano yung
Kasi
memorable?
memorable. Syempre, oh my God, oh, it's so bad. It's so memorable for me. You're like, oh my God, it's so good. Like, I'll never forget this. What do you want to hear?
Oh, sige, pagbigyan natin both.
Both? Sige. Ginawa akong kabit, sis. Like, it was almost 3 months of dating. And like, we weren't talking about like what we are. Cause like, oh, we're not ready for a relationship. Yun naman talaga. I had established, we are not ready for a relationship, but we'll go on dates. So, syempre, happy si girl. Oh, okay, we'll go on dates. Oh, ganyan. Like, we'll see each other, we'll talk every day, ganyan. Little did I know, he had a girlfriend for 7 years.
Grabe yun, legit. How can someone do that? I don't get it.
Diba? Like, are they just bored? But yeah, anyways, and hindi ko pa nalaman from him. Nalaman ko pa through myself. As a overthinker kasi, diba? Parang, pagka, ay, medyo sus na yung mga nangyayari. Let me just fact check ulit.
Is it like parang, shit, this is too good, something.
Oo, like, it's too good to be true. Ayun. Pero memorable? Memorable ba? Good natin yung memorable. Diba? Pero may memorable na good? Wala eh. Ikaw? Para sa'yo, good na, may good ka ba? Para sa'yo,
Wala eh. Wala naman talagang good sa situationship.
unless sa mga viewers natin na, di ba, from situationship, nagka-label na sila. Tapos,
Ay, hindi ko pa na-experience. Hindi good for you guys.
good for you guys.
Good for you guys.
Teach us your way.
Pero most memorable situationship ko was 1 year nagtagal. 1 year.
Kadiri kasi.
1 year siya. No label.
Oh my God.
And I don't know how I got through that kasi wala. As in, wala. Like, kahit dates, wala.
Really ba?
Legit.
So,
Our dates are school dates. Like, come on. Hindi kami lumabas na, tara mall, tara kain sa labas. Wala.
and you settled for that.
I settled. It's my fault.
And
And
no,
that's on me.
it's both parties' fault naman.
Pero, yun nga yung recap of everything was parang, of everything we said right now, parang I expected something to happen and I waited for it. But in the end, naging kabit din ako. Hindi naman sa naging kabit. Ako yung main. Pero,
so,
bigla-
roster.
oo, may roster siya na hindi ko alam.
But
Tapos,
you were already for a year.
Oo, for a
Grabe
year.
na yun.
tapos bigla siyang umamin sa akin na, nakipaglandian ako with this girl. And that girl was trying to be friends with me that time. So I was like,
Kafol. May mga tao talaga na hindi nag-iisip.
kaya nga. And the fact that everybody knew that we had something, but we just couldn't put like label on it. Meme ako, sis, sabi ko, tampin na. So ano to? So anong ginagawa natin?
So, paano mo in-end?
I ended it na parang, okay, I've given him so much chances. Like, no endings. Ako pa sorry. Ako na sa lahat. Kahit date namin,
Ikaw pa rin
ako
may
na nagbabayad, lahat. Okay, I think I'm at a disadvantage. And
At least,
at least, I had the courage. I had the
even
courage.
if it lasted a year, at least you had the courage na talaga to end it.
Kahit ako na, na ako, pagod
Na-drain ka
na ako.
na.
Sobra.
Na-drain ka na.
Sobra.
Ang take away natin for ghosting and situationship. Final thoughts.
Final thoughts
Words.
for ghosting. Valid. Valid to ghost. Pero, there's a limit to it. Na if parang tagal na kayo nag-uusap, give that person closure naman. Na maybe,
You
okay,
wouldn't want that to happen to you then.
Tapos for situationship, sana may mga good endings sa situationship. Pero most of the time, wala eh. Wala talaga eh. So, wag na lang guys. If you guys know and you're aware na parang, oh, this is leading to a situationship, kausapin nyo na. Clear communication, yun talaga ang ating lesson for today.
For me naman, in ghosting, same as you, valid if this person doesn't have the same morals with you or like nasaktan ka sa sinabi niya, offend, ganon, or he or she is just weird, or you just don't see it progressing. Pero yun nga, if you guys have seen each other na medyo matagal na, try to like give a short explanation man lang.
Kasi at some point may pinagsamahan.
Oo, may pinagsamahan naman kayo. But for situationships naman, guys, you know, it's okay. It's okay to get in one. Basta alam mo yung pinapasukan mo. Like,
And be ready
yeah, for once not to, because 50-50 yan eh. Hindi naman siya yung parang normal, like, during experience, person likes you, tapos titawag ka. Iba yun, hindi naman kasi ganun nagsastart yung relationship. Like, most of them. Prepare yourself na if this doesn't work out, always remember you have yourself. Like, wag mo ubusin yung sarili mo for this person. Because, like, pag umalis siya, wala ka natitira.
You have to build yourself up again.
Again, from the start. So, ayun.
Mapapagod at mapapagod ka lang na paulit-ulit.
So, yun lang naman. Be safe.
Be safe out there.
Yeah.
But have fun.
Yeah, have fun.
Dating is fun.
Dating is fun.
Just
It's
know,
nice to meet new people. Just
know the limit. Yun talaga.
and try to be a kind person.
So that
That's wraps up for our podcast for today.
that's our first episode of
Yay!
Ano Ba Tayo?
I'm Tala,
I am Annie.
and we'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye.